Hey everybody, we're doing the photosynthesis lab today. We're going to use some Calamba. We got a 2-inch sprout in a graduated cylinder to kind of capture and show the amount of photosynthesis that's taking place. And we're going to measure how much photosynthesis is taking place by counting the amount of oxygen in the form of bubbles is released from the plant. So we are using a clear 100-watt bulb. We're 12 inches away from the light, and if you're filling out the lab sheet, you need to collect the amount of bubbles that you see rising up to the surface from the plant for the next 3 minutes, and you're going to do that in 1-minute intervals. So right when you see the timer on this video hit 1 minute, you can go ahead and start counting, and that will help you take a measure of how much O2 is being produced. So every time you see a bubble go up, starting now. So you should be wrapping up minute 2, counting every single one of these bubbles that goes up. Here's your 3rd minute. So there you go. So that was 3 minutes. And each minute, from minute 1 to minute 4, you have 3 minutes worth of data that you can record into those 3 boxes to collect enough information to create an average of how much oxygen is being made per minute by this Calamba plant. This is without the light bulb on. So I'm going to switch now to with the light on for minute 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 8. So you can have the full table filled out for this lab. We'll start it up at minute 5. And again, every time you see that bubble past that blue line, you can go ahead and register that as a bubble, as some oxygen being made. So we'll count down from 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, All right, start counting. Light is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you finished your first minute. You should be working on your second collection, second data point, box number 2 on that table. 20 seconds into it. All right, minute 7, there you go. So now we're gonna finish up collecting 1 more minute worth of data. Beautiful. All right, now you've reached your 3rd minute with the light on. If at any point you lost track, you can always just rewind back to the whole minute and start over again. I'm hoping that you notice a trend of increase and decrease along with the change in lights between no light and light on. One thing to think about also is at the very beginning we did have the lamp off, but the classroom lights were on. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you were able to finish the lab. Happy sciencing, everybody.